What's up everybody, my name's Curtis, this is Digibit Gaming, and we're gonna make this wooden, kinda. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit different style video here. This is my modded GameCube. So this actually has a Cube Pro chip installed, and it does a whole bunch of stuff. Mainly, I believe it region unlocks, and truth be told, I got this for free while I was working at the game store, and I don't know that much about it. It is one of the GameCubes that does have the digital AV port on it. So nice to have around. You could do some cool stuff with that. But a few months back, I got my hands on a new product for the GameCube, as well as a few other things. It's from Rose Colored Gaming. There goes my voice recorder, but it's okay. Came from Rose Colored Gaming, and what it is an actual like real wood veneer kit that you peel and stick on your GameCube, and supposedly it's gonna be pretty dope. The pictures looked really good, so I immediately picked it up the day it launched and proceeded to not make a video on it until today. Yeah, October 1st. That's when it shipped out. But anyway, before we can open that up, we do have to do a little bit of work to this GameCube. So the first thing we have to do is kind of clean up the outside. This thing has just been like sitting on my shelf and it is completely grody. I am super embarrassed that I let this cool console get this bad, but that's besides the point. Got me some good old alcohol here, not the drinky kind, but the good old fashioned put it on a wound and it'll burn and make you scream like a little girl kind. So these are actual, like, I think they're makeup remover things. I totally stole this from my wife. Love you, honey. But yeah, so we're just gonna give this a good wipe down, mainly to make sure that we get rid of any finger oils that are on the console. Normally I would recommend using some like latex gloves or any kind of rubber glove, just to kind of make sure that you don't leave any fingerprints, because stickers and vinyl do not stick very well to oil. You don't have to get too crazy with it. Biggest thing, you just want to make sure it's clean, make sure you don't leave a whole bunch of lint behind, because it does not stick very well to lint either. So that is probably good. Let's see here. Oh yeah. While I'm in there, go ahead and clean my little laser eye. Now I have a damp, lint-free cloth. You don't want this soaking wet, because electronics and, you know, water normally don't mix very well. So mainly you're just wiping off the lint that is left behind, and we're gonna completely let this thing dry before we go much further here. It's probably gonna take a couple minutes for me, but thankfully through the magic of editing, it'll be like that and it's done. All right, it's been a couple minutes. I went and got the thing that I was missing. So this I am super excited about. And again, all of these mods today do literally nothing to the performance of the console. It is pure aesthetic. And what I have here is something I found on Etsy from RG Rocker Gaming. And what it is, it's a custom jewel for the top of this thing. And of course, I had to get the Digibit logo. I mean, come on now. But anyway, it's super easy to do. If you pop open your GameCube, there's like two little tabs on the upper side here. You just kind of push those in, take your thumbnail and boop, comes right out. Give that a good wipe down because that is pretty grody. There's no sticker or anything on here. It just literally pops in place like so. Look at that. Fancy. And it already looks so much cooler. So much cooler. Man, that's dope. All right, push this off to the side. We're done for this for a minute. We gotta see what's in this box over here. Now, I haven't even opened the packaging on this yet. So, ooh, okay. Yeah, I haven't even opened the packaging. I don't know, hopefully it's not defective because I'm probably way over the return policy on this, which, oh well. Normally Rose Color Gaming is pretty on point with their stuff. So their quality is top notch. If you've bought anything from them before, you probably know this already. But yeah, their team is just absolutely incredible. Come on, open! All right. Taking my time. I don't want to slice through the veneer kit. Awesome. Close that up so I don't cut myself to pieces. Awesome. We got bubble wrap. Okay. And we have another box. A box in a box. So you can see it there, the Rose Color Gaming GameCube 24-piece hardwood veneer kit. This is for the GameCubes that have the Game Boy player attachment. So there are different kinds. If you don't have the attachment, then you can get it without, and it's actually a little bit cheaper. Scream! Oh. Womp womp. Take my knife. Again, being very careful. I don't want to stab anything. And let's see. So first up, we got some instructions. Very nice. It kind of shows you where everything is located and cut. Oh, that's neat. So yeah, it gives you some instructions to kind of follow before you start, like clean and prep your surface, which we already did. Wow, this big old packaging, and that's all that was in there. All right. So the adhesive that they use on the back is 3M, which is super awesome. So you know it's gonna stick really, really well. So we got 1 piece, 2 piece, and all the other piece. Cool. What's this? Oh, they even include a little alcohol prep pad and a piece of 400 grit sandpaper. So that's pretty handy. See, that's what I'm talking about. They just think of everything over at Rose Colored. And again, this is not a sponsored review or anything. I bought this with my own money because I love this company and the work they do. So I want to support them. Cool. So there's all kinds of little doodads that we've got to attach as well. Let's see. Wow, that's a lot of pieces. That's a little intimidating. Okay, let me prop my instructions up over here in the corner. This is number 1 here, which I think goes on the bottom. Moment of truth time. Let's peel some of this. Again, anytime you peel a sticker off something, try to go at a pretty hard angle here. This is very, very sticky. So definitely, once it goes down, it is probably down. I don't know if you're gonna be able to just pop this right back off. Got to turn this around. And I'm just gonna try to hold the flap with my pinky. Whoops, I got some dog fur in it. Ah, it's so sticky. All right. Whew. Lay it down gently. Gotta get it down around the post. Whew. I'm probably making this way more intense than it actually is. But I want to do a good job because this veneer kit is pretty awesome. So needless to say, I think once you put this on, the Game Boy player is not gonna be very removable. Not by a long shot. Let's see. Make sure I got that down good. And then there's this little flap here, which looks like this can come off. So we'll set that down there. Yeah, once it's down, it's down. Which sadly, I did not get this edge here lined up very well. So when you go to lay it down, I would definitely do the top piece and then kind of take the edge, pull it a little bit, and then roll it down. I did not do that, that's why that's messed up. But this side turned out really, really good. Okay, so now we can do the little Game Boy port, which, trying to get a good angle so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Just shove it up in the edge there. And once again, it's just a really good fit. Like, it's pretty amazing how precise they've gotten these. Like, that's just wild. Whoa. This even wraps up under that lip. This is impressive. Again, I'm just blown away. Like, this is awesome. Like, I mean, everything just fits so good. I mean, again, we'll have to take a Game Boy Advance game and see just how good that fit is. But, I mean, look at that. You still have access to your extension port. Like, that's incredible. So, first things first. Let me get this peeled. This part's kind of tricky with these vent holes here. Okay. Pretty close. Okay. Now, Oh Lord. Yeah, I did not get this one very straight at all. Oh, there's so much trash everywhere. Okay. Whew. Got that, got that. Where'd my other? Very nice, very nice. Okay. Time for the faceplate here. Definitely one you probably gotta make sure you get like perfect on the money. Nope, nope, get off of there. Ha ha ha. It's looking good. Give a little sandy sand here. Ooh, that's looking so good. So good. All right, so I believe I'm done. I've got a couple extra pieces. I'll have to figure out where those go. The instructions weren't super clear on where they go. They just labeled them. So I don't know, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm honestly super happy with how this turned out. I think it looks so sick. Now there's a couple spots, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. I'm gonna have to go back and do a little more sanding, but for the sake of this video, this is where I'm wrapping it up. So yeah, I think total this kit's like close to 80 bucks. Without the Game Boy player attachment, I think it was close to like 60. I'll try to include pricing and links down in the video description. I'll probably forget, but yeah, I'll try. But yeah, so that I just want to do a quick video showing the product off. Again, not a sponsored video. I bought this. This is mine. But I thought it was such a unique product. Now, this is not for the novice. I made a ton of mistakes, and quite honestly, the vast majority of them are just due to carelessness. I was in a rush. I tried to hurry up and get this done, and I messed up. So if you take your time, like especially people who were probably like model car builders or people who build like Gundams and stuff, like this is probably child's play. But it's not insanely difficult. It's really fun. I had a good time while doing it. But yeah, so now I got a wooden GameCube, which by the way, I could probably stain this whatever color I wanted, probably before you put it on the GameCube. But yeah, and like if you get a little scuff in it, you can just take some of the light sandpaper, buff the scuffs out, and you're good to go. But yeah, so now I've got a super sick wooden GameCube. Again, this veneer kit is from Rose Color Gaming. Be sure to check them out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.